Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning the Dr. Trust steamer on a stable, heat-proof surface and keeping about 6 inches clearance around it. Once done, open the tank cap and fill to the max mark with clean tap water. This ensures consistent steam and avoids dry heating. Make sure not to overfill. Plug the unit in and press power. You'll see the indicator light or feel warmth in roughly 60 to 90 seconds. That's your cue to move to steaming. You now choose the appropriate steam setting or nozzle. Start low for delicate materials because higher output can damage fabric. Hold the nozzle about 1 to 2 inches from the surface and use slow, vertical strokes so steam penetrates fibers evenly. If steam reduces, switch off, allow the unit to cool briefly, then refill only when cool to avoid burns. Make sure to angle the head slightly to prevent water drips, and pace yourself so moisture has time to evaporate. You finish by switching the steamer off, unplugging it, and waiting for a full cool down before opening the tank. Once cool, empty leftover water to prevent mineral buildup and wipe the nozzle and vents with a damp cloth. Store the unit upright in a dry spot. If you notice weak steam or sputtering, descale. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water, run a short steam cycle, then rinse thoroughly with fresh water. This restores performance and prevents clogs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.